Hey everyone! Welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Cinema HD on your Firestick TV step by step. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet and on the home screen. Go to the top menu and select Settings. Scroll to My Fire TV or device and click on it. Select Developer Options and enable apps from unknown sources and a DB debugging. This allows us to install apps from third-party sources. Next, go back to the home screen and navigate to the search option in the menu. Type Downloader into the search bar and select it from the results. Then, click on the Downloader app and install it. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it. On the home screen of the Downloader app, you'll see a URL bar. Here, type in the URL to download the Cinema HD APK. Use a reliable and trusted source for this step. Click Go and wait for the APK file to download. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the APK file is downloaded, you'll see an option to install. Click on it and wait for the installation process to complete. Once Cinema HD is installed, click Open to launch the app. Allow any permissions it asks for, such as storage access, so it works properly. That's it. Cinema HD is now ready to use. You can explore its library and start streaming your favorite content right away. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.